RPO Multan Dr. Moin Massoud congratulated all the police officers and men for doing good duty during the Pakistan-England cricket match during the police Durbar held in police lines to solve the problems of the police and to control the crime. Gave speaking during the police Darbar, regional police officer Dr. Multan Moin Massoud said that the purpose of holding the Darbar is to listen and solve the problems of the officers and Jawans. We are all like a family and have to fight crime together. Referrals will be discouraged. Any legitimate problem will be solved. Abuse of any person will not be tolerated. Perform duties as worship. Do not delay the justice of the victim. Challenge of previously convicted offenders shall be challenged under Section 75. It is the duty of the police to protect people's lives and property, to deliver justice. An integrated crime fighting system has been launched to help detect and fight crime. Modern technology is being used to eradicate crime. Dispute cases should be settled quickly on merit. Good manners are the best way to build trust between the police and the public. Use all resources to stop drug trafficking. Strive to keep educational institutions drug-free. Animal fighting will not be tolerated at all. Free registration of crime should be ensured. Investigation of cases should be ensured on pure merit. Ensure use of bulletproof jackets and bulletproof helmets by all personnel. Illegal encroachments will be discouraged. Provide strong testimony in drug cases to bring criminals to justice.